How's it guys, and welcome to the South African putting green. Very short video. I'm gonna update you on what's cooking and what's not cooking on my putting green. Alright. Okay, Owens. So it is what it is, okay? I must be honest with you. A couple of things went horribly wrong. Horribly. Like I was supposed to turn right, then I turned left when it got to the putting green. Okay, so as you can see right there, some fungus and another factor has claimed a lot of my lawn. I've got a bit of a bare patch there. I've got a little bare patchy there, and I've got some serious bare patches there. Okay, so fungus, unfortunately, put a halt on most of my proceedings here, and also the biggest factor of them all was this flippin' cold weather. How cold was it? I believe somebody said somewhere the coldest weather we've had in over a decade. I believe last in the 2020 Soccer World Cup we had weather this cold. Okay, so what that had done is it stunted and hurt my lawn and claimed many of the last germinating grasses. I'm pretty sure most of it probably would have died off because of the fungus, but those that really got hurt had no chance recovering over the last month. This last week has been nice though, and I see the weather is improving, so we should see, I'm already seeing some more growth here. I haven't had my real mower for the last 3 weeks, so it is a little bit overgrown there, but I believe it's coming back today. What is today? Actually the 6th of August, but the cold weather and the fungus has really put brakes on the improvement here. So I've really got to rethink of reseeding the bare areas or plugging at a later stage. I think it's a little bit I just wanted to like establish a little bit more the stronger parts, and then take out maybe small plugs and put it in that area to recover right there. Okay, so that brings me to reseeding, and actually this morning I put some more seed down on these areas. So I mixed some seed and sand and just throw it down there. I'm not going to go through that process again. But this area's reseeding, you know. My dogs dug up that area there. Also those two small areas, that one and that one right there. Also a part there at the back, that small dot right there, they dug up. And that caused me to seed 2 weeks after seeding, and then 3 weeks after the initial seeding to put seed down once again, and that forced me to water for 4 weeks, 5 weeks, almost up to 6 weeks, keeping this thing constantly wet. And that I'm almost 100% sure that the overwatering caused the fungus. So I'm pretty, I want to like just kick my dogs at this stage, because I'm pretty sure if I just kicked back on the watering after 3 weeks, I probably would not have had all these issues, and I probably would have had almost 100% grass coverage there. But let's not blame any outside agencies here. Let's work together on fixing the problem, you know, maybe keeping the dogs off the green, and maybe getting this new seed to germinate. Okay. But thankfully the weather is improving, and I must say over the last 4 or 5 days, so like for the last 6, 7, 8 days we've had good weather. I've really seen some color returning to this lawn. I must say everything was like literally put the handbrake on because of this cold weather. It was really, we had a period of about a week where we never saw over 0 degrees in the nights, and like 12, 13, 14 during the day. It was very cold. Well, for Joburg, I wasn't used to this type of things. So I'm pretty sure with this warmer weather in the forecast now, we'll see some good improvement right here. But this is how it looks, guys, and I suppose that is the update of the green. Nothing much happening here, a couple of areas to work on, but very, very exciting times ahead. Just have a look there, still looks pure, but in desperate need of a cut, and I think it's going to start growing now. As soon as I start cutting it, it'll spread sideways. You know what I'm saying. So yeah, I think it looks lacquer. Thank you so much for watching. Obviously a lot of videos to follow. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, plenty videos in the forecast for this channel. Cheers.